morning, everybody. Welcome to Proformance Unlimited. Hey, like we say, each and every day is a different engine. This one has to be one of our big blocks. It's a 540 big block. This one has to have the dual quads on here from Edelbrock. I think we might have graved the last one that they're making nowadays. I think they're stopped making them, but we had a little pull and we were able to pull it off. They dug one up for us. It's a chrome one. It's got dual quad carburetors on here, all set up on our 540. Just got done making about 715 horsepower, or should I say torque, 712 square, perfect. Almost the same torque as horsepower numbers. So again, this is another example of one of our custom builds, doing a big block 540. Again, here at Proformance, we build them your way. With our advice, we'll help you get the package that's ready for you. Again, thank you for logging on. Our number is 1-800-267-3940. Okay, Roger. I got your 540 big block up here on the dyno for your 65 Chevy Chevelle. Fire it up, Matt. Not bad. Fires right up before that thing is idling. Nice. 750. Hot oil pressure, we're at 60 something. Air fuel ratios idling are around 13. We're at about 170 degrees. Okay.